Hello guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to secure your computer on internet. My name is Amy Maurice. If you are new on my channel, just click on subscribe to see all my videos. Go to search bar. Type panel. Click on network and internet. Click on Internet Options. Enable to delete browsing history on exit. Click on Settings. Enable every time I visit the web page. Click OK. Go to Security. Put on high. Enable protected mode. Apply then OK. Close all tabs then restart your PC. Don't forget to subscribe to support me. Thanks for watching.